Yep, they are both here. All right, here we are today. Kind of had a weird day yesterday. We're trying to record some YouTube videos, trying to put some installs yesterday, but it looked like we had almost an instant fail for the day. We lost power, lost water, basically just an all-around losing day. So in the middle of the day, we went to go grab some McDonald's. Figured it'd be a good snack to have for the day. Then something like this happened. I don't know if you can see it here, but right there. So now, look what I got. A flat tire. Already starting off the day with a loss. So what we're gonna have to do today is, I'm gonna move both cars so I can park the silver STI in the garage, take off the tire, take it to the tire shop, and hopefully it is in a repairable area. It doesn't look like it is right off the shoulder, but yeah, let's see how this goes, and hopefully we can get a win with a simple, quick, free patch, and have the silver STI driving again, so we can go back to the original plan of doing installs on the blue STI, which was the plan for this week. But we were not expecting this crazy cold weather. I think this is the coldest it's been here for a while, so this might be yeah, this might be a little different. So let's see how it goes. Make sure we get the right keys for the right car. That car out of the way, or maybe we might just kind of reverse it in. I didn't think about that. Yeah, let's try that. It's kind of cold outside. Like I said, it's way colder than our normal. Look, check it out. Pretty freaking cold. So this is probably one of the coldest cold starts these STIs I've had in a long while. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. There you go. Let's see what's on the silver STI. Let's see if we find anything on here. Kind of loud. Nah. Here's our culprit right here. Hopefully you can still see it. Let's see. can definitely tell it's low. Yep, right there. Looks like a little blade. So hopefully we can repair it. If not, just might have to go back onto those wheels right there. I don't feel like buying a new tire, so those are gonna be buy. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we got the jack, got the lifting point. We're gonna use handy dandy impact. Looks like a, focus, 19 millimeter. All right, it's a deep socket because we had some extended wheel studs with some long Gorilla lug nuts. So we're just gonna get to cracking, see how it goes. Okay, this Joby thing, not gonna lie, pretty cool. Magnetized onto the car. Okay, so you can kind of see here, got a wheel spacer on, some ARP wheel studs. Probably gonna need some new brake pads soon. We have the Hawkeye performance on these. Let's go take it to the tire shop. All right, it looks like we've safely got the tire off the car using a brand new jack stand. First time use on this car, nice and pretty. Got a new cat jack. Never got to show this, so I figured we'd do a quick video. So now it's just a matter of loading up STI tire from one STI to the other STI. Whew. All right. All right, looks like there's plenty of space. Let's see how we do this. All right, on the way to the tire shop. Let's see how this goes. Back from the tire shop, and guess what we got? Another loss. Yep. Adding to the losing column, I had to pay for a whole new tire, another $300, because I didn't have warranty, and he said I had ran the tire for too long, even though it was parked through all this freezing weather. So yeah, down $300. So now we're gonna go into putting it on the car and back to driving it again, I guess. Brand new. Now it has one new tire and 3 old ones. Probably not the best idea for all-wheel drive. At least the wheel stud can't break on this one. Almost spoke too soon. This one for sure. Can't see what's happening. All right, I figured it out. You can see the little dent here. Add to the loss. All right, well, it's finally done, and yeah, still down $300. So let's see how the rest of the week goes. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, keep an eye out for the next video, possibly every Friday. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.